This is the Gbh8 45Dv Professional, the powerful and low vibration rotary hammer from Bosch. The high-power 1500-watt motor with 11 joules of impact energy provides maximum performance when drilling and chiseling. It also impresses with its low vibration of only 7 meters per second squared when chiseling and 8 meters per second squared when drilling, thanks to its intelligent triple vibration damping system. Vibration is reduced where it originates, namely in the hammer mechanism. In addition to this, a vibration absorber that counteracts the vibration is set in motion during tool operation, and the double decoupled main handle ensures that as little vibration as possible gets through to the user. The turbo power function uses the energy used for rotation during drilling to deliver extra power in chiseling mode. Experience for yourself the Gbh8 45Dv Professional, a powerful 1500 watts with low vibration.